Bitcoin, another all-time high. Do you want to know everything that's going on in the crypto world? Then smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News, Crypto to the Max with Rodrigo Arnedo here. And today we have to talk about the monthly chart because we are in April and we have the best closure for Bitcoin history out there. You can see that the candle closed above the previous all-time highs. So that's nice. 71,284 is the record right now for the monthly close. But what's going to happen on April? Well, here you have results for March out there, and you can see we had a green month, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4 times in a row that we've had six like March in the green, but also February was in the green too. Just 7 times we had March in the red, but this seems to be right now like old news. And also, well, we need to consider what happened in bull run. In the bull run after red marches, we had April's in the green. So we'll see about that in the future. Remember that we have this nice month of February, then March that is becoming better month for Bitcoin history. And April is usually a good month for Bitcoin. So what to expect? We'll see about that also with 7 consecutive months in the green for Bitcoin. This is something Bitcoin has never done in history. Here for the April's chart, you can see 8 times in the green and just 4 times in the red. The last one was a green one. And in the bull runs, you can see again those green lines. So if you consider this, you can think that we are going higher. Again, I'm not expert. This is not financial advice. We have no idea whatsoever what's going to happen. But we know that we've been 7 months in the green, 7 months in a row. This is something new for Bitcoin. This is a new all-time high, and this time is different. This is a different thing, like we've been in the past. You can see 6 times, 4, 5, 6, but never 7 times in a row for the monthly. So good for Bitcoin. Maybe an 8th one, or maybe we need a rest. I believe we might need some rest. We'll see about that. We'll see if we have green candles like we have in 2016 and 17, or we need this kind of test. It seems that we are going things before previous bull runs. We have the all-time highs before the halving event. So yeah, maybe now we need those red candles that we had on March in 2016 and 2017. We'll see about that. Also consider that with this chart, we watch in previous videos, watch them all and smash the like button. Well, we told you, if we are not back to 73,000 in 14 days, it might take us 63 days. It seems that we are going to go boring, reconsolidating there till around 15th May 2024 after the halving event. Seems like Bitcoin is right now between $69,000 and $72,000. You can see up and down, up and down, up and down in the daily chart. And again, this line I throw with resistance. It seems that we were going to break it, but we didn't. So now we are here in a very interesting moment for Bitcoin. We can't lose 69,000 if we want to think about 74 and beyond. And also consider the weekly candles. Remember, after those hammer candles, we had a long run here and a long run here. So maybe little by little, we are starting the next bullish momentum. Why not? Even though we have some bad news, again, as always, dollar going up, that's not good. And this gap in the CNMV futures is not good either. But we have good stuff out there. Available Bitcoin supply on exchanges is rapidly decreasing. So that means that we might have a supply shock out there, the liquidity crisis I'm telling you about in previous videos. And now we are under 3,000 blocks until the Bitcoin halving. That's around 19-20 days, which is awesome because we are going to Leave it here together. This is like Olympics. This is like soccer world championships. We have one of these every 4 years, and it's going to be awesome sharing it with you here on Crypto News. But we'll see. According to Red Capital, we need to reconsolidate with Bitcoin for some time. But I don't know about that because if we are doing things first, well, remember that we had the all-time high prior to the halving. So maybe this time for accumulation that we had after it, maybe it's going to happen right now, and then we are going to go higher, or maybe even if we catch with the narrative that we go higher before halving, we're going to do that. I will tell you more about this in the next crypto news. So watch them all and consider that no matter Bitcoin price, the use cases we have out there is the things that matter. Someone just sent $838 million worth of Bitcoin for a fee of $6 on Sunday at 2 a.m. That's something that you can do with a bank. So good, very nice thing for Bitcoin. Again, this is cryptocurrency. This is the currency of the future. And here Pompliano telling us that it's not just that. It's not just that Bitcoin is going to be the money of the future. It is also that all Wall Street is going to get tokenized. Markets will become 24/7, 365. There's no wonder they want to be open on the weekend too. Bitcoin was the first, is the tokenized gold. But then we have stable coins, those are the tokenized fiat, and eventually every financial asset will get tokenized. Just a matter of time, according to Pompliano. We believe this is something that is going to happen. We'll see about that. Consider those real world assets. Those are in category number 38 on CoinGecko right now. And you can see very important projects like Ondo, Centrifuge, for example, also Pendle. And Pendle is one of the bubbles crazy today with Core, which is an L1, and Juke, which is a decentralized exchange. We have also Bitcoin Cash, crazy stuff out there with greed in the market, extreme greed out there, even though we are in the red. You need to go to dextools.io to know all about this. What pairs are hot right now? Well, for example, Pipcoin going down. And the thing is that the meme category is number 10 right now. And we have a dog with a hat that just became the third largest meme coin by market capitalization on March 29. And here Pepe trying to do again like Bitcoin this consolidation so that it jumps, but we are going down today. I'm still 8x since the point I bought. What about you? You can do all this kind of stuff with dextools.io. You have some free stuff you can do with TradingView in the paid versions, but you have them in free with dextools.io. Link in the description below. What do you think about Pepe being under the dog with a hat? I don't like that. Ethereum still fighting between 3 and 4,000. Market doesn't know where to go, up or down from here. So if we go to the monthly chart and see what's going to happen on April, we can see that March ended in the green too. So it's 7 March greens for Bitcoin, for Ethereum, sorry. And also for history of Ethereum is just the 2 March in the red. The last 4 February, March were green. So we'll see now about April, what's going to happen with Ethereum. It's a very nice month. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times in the green. But again, as I believe Ethereum is following Bitcoin, well, I think it's going to go a little bit red. We'll see about that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times in the green too. Sorry, this is actually Bitcoin chart. That's why it's the same as Bitcoin. We have a problem here. This is live crypto news with Rodrigo Arnedo. Now let's try again. Yes, here we have Ethereum. And April, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times in the green and just 2 times in the red. So, well, you can see similar situation with March and the last time we were in the green. We've had 4 times green for Ethereum last year. It's not the 7 we have for Bitcoin, but you can see that even though we have this 0.13% drop in January, it's almost the same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times in a row in the green. Almost also for Ethereum. Is the third best closure for the monthly on Ethereum. Good news in the crypto market, no doubt, no doubt. And good news for Bybit Card. Still the first anniversary, and you have 5 days remain for that campaign, so you can earn and win an iPhone 15 Pro, Apple Vision Pro, and more. So go there, participate right now. Use the link in the description below because you have 25 euros that you can get if it's the first time you use the crypto debit card. And also, we are running out of codes for over. So you better go to the dedicated video we created and get your token so you can go out there and map the reality. And remember that you also have those prizes every month. They share a pool of 5,000 OVR tokens. Are you one of the winners? I'm not. But baby, this April's month, I'm going to be the one. Are you ready to jump into 3D? Well, this is the world map through over. I love this project. You have the link in the description below. Remember that you can then have your cell phone and just watch all over the world with these maps. Very, very interesting project. And now, let's chill for a little bit. This is something Tomas Navarro is telling us in its last book. I love it. Your red lines. So if you want, just go to Audible. You can download Audible, use it for free for like 30 days, and some commission will come to us. So thank you very much. And why not reading things like Your Red Lines or these other books I recommended you on fanonderide.com, recommended books. Again, I believe that crypto is important, but also you need to chill, to relax from time to time. Audible also a tool that you need in your daily basis. And if you want to keep on learning, just watch the last CryptoNews video because we told you there about Google and Bitcoin addresses. So you have to know about that. And also, I want to tell you today, because I forgot, that, you might have your Google Authenticator and the cloud might be on, but you should take that off. Why? Because they have your Gmail, they have your identity, and they have your authenticator, they have everything. So it's not really good that you have the Google Authenticator app connected to the cloud. In my opinion, at least this is my advice for myself. And now let's chill. As I promised you, you want more crypto news, it's okay, but you need to rest from time to time. Then you can go to your box and sleep there. We don't want no bets, no expensive bets, because we want more cash for buying Bitcoin. And you can even work while you sleep, like this cat is doing, holding the cell phone so he gets some fiat currencies for buying more and more Bitcoin. Amazing, amazing is this guy trying to sleep too, but we have a surprise out there. Seems everything okay for this dog. He's going to take its time and rest for a little bit, but wait for it because he's not alone. Something is troubling him, and the thing is that there was a cat inside this sleeping bag. Terrible for the cat, of course, but happy for the Dogecoin, happy for this dog. Again, you wanna keep on learning? Go to AI News, our channel about artificial intelligence. Today, we have a new video out there, so go and watch it. If you want more crypto news, then just wait till next show here. Crypto News, Rodrigo Arnido, health, money, love, pour in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!